Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to tell you in this video comes from trusted information shared by mechanics here in the workshop, so relax. This can be fixed. To start, that Audi Presense currently limited message on an Audi basically means the vehicle's safety system is operating in a limited mode. This system helps prevent accidents, so when the warning appears, the car is telling you it can't react the way it normally would. Several clients have told us, the message came on and the car felt normal, but I knew something wasn't at 100%, and that's absolutely right. Now, one of the most common reasons we see in the shop has to do with dirty or blocked sensors. In conversations with clients, we often hear things like, it showed up after rain or when the car was really dusty. We always explain it simply. If the sensors or cameras can't see clearly, the system limits itself, and this happens more often than people think. On the other hand, minor impacts or misalignment can also affect the radar or front camera. Some clients tell us, after a small bump or replacing the windshield, the warning came on. This happens because the system needs to be perfectly calibrated, and even a slight variation makes it lose confidence in its own readings. Following that, voltage is something you can't ignore. We've seen cases where multiple warnings show up at once, and it all comes down to a weak battery. Clients say, several alerts came on together, including pre-sense, and that's when we check the electrical side. As we often say in the shop, if the power isn't stable, electronic systems start limiting themselves. Additionally, in some models, the issue can come from the software or the module controlling the system. Some clients mention, the shop connected a scanner, updated the system, and the message disappeared. Even Audi itself has indicated that in certain cases, recalibration or software updates are needed to restore proper operation.